What is up, people? How y'all doing today? Welcome back to your, let's see what this is, 12th XHTML tutorial. I always go, let's see what this is, or what number is it? I probably should just, think about what number it is before I start talking, but, I didn't. So, anyways, on with the tutorial. In this tutorial, I said we're going to be talking a little more about tables, and I meant it, because in this tutorial we're going to be learning about table headers. Now, a header for your table is pretty much a title that you can put for each column. So if you just have a table with a bunch of data in it, people might be confused, be like, are these addresses, or are they phone numbers, or are they names of people, or street names? I need a title to tell me what each row means, or excuse me, what each column means. So in order to do that, we need to create table headers. So in order to create table headers, we first need a table. So let's go ahead and make a table with a border of 1 and put the ending table so we don't forget it later on. And inside our table, let's just go ahead and make 3 rows. So table row, and let's go ahead and copy this. Actually, let's go ahead and indent this, make it easier to read. And copy this and paste and paste. So now we have a table with 3 rows in it. Now let's go ahead and space out these rows. This is going to make it easier to read. And inside the first row, what we want to do is, let's say we want to make a web page of the girls that I think are awesome and beautiful. Seems like an appropriate topic, so let's go ahead and add our first header at the top. Now, in order to make a header, it's TH. This stands for table header, and these are going to be the headers for your columns. So anything that you put in a header is not going to be like a regular table data. It's going to be bold and center. So these are perfect for making the titles. You're going to see later on how awesome they are. So let's go ahead and make 3 of them. We'll have 3 columns in this table. We'll have the name of the girl, and I'll write a movie that they played in. I'll pick movie stars and write the person who they love right there. So I'm going to have their name, a movie that they played in, and someone that they love in the third column. So let's go ahead and in our first row, we'll make our first girl. Remember, you need table data for this because this is just regular data information. So let me go ahead and copy this. So now we have 3 bits of data. The first one is the name, and the first girl that is awesome is Natalie Portman, even though she's preggy right now. Best of luck, Natalie. And a movie that she played in, Garden State. If you guys never saw it, I would highly recommend checking it out. And the person that they love, let's just go ahead and put Bucky because, I'm pretty irresistible if I don't say myself. So let's go ahead and take all this data, copy it, and put it into our next row. But we can't just stress the fact how much Natalie Portman loves me because, we all know that. So let's go ahead and pick a new girl. And that would be Rachel McAdams. And that's the girl who played in The Notebook and Mean Girls. She played, I think, Regina in Mean Girls. Don't ask me how I know that. Just just let it slide. And who she loves, yeah, we'll just leave that Bucky for now. So, and go ahead and save that and refresh this and check it out. The name, this is your table header right now. And you can see a table header is different because A, it's centered. All these are left justified, and this is centered. And also they're bold, so they stand out. So now when someone looks at this table, they won't see just random information, but they can see what each column means. It's a lot easier to read and a lot easier to follow. So yeah, this actually looks like a pretty accurate table. So I'm just gonna leave it like that, and I'm gonna publish this, and yeah, we're good to go. So anyways, that's the basics of how you make a header for your table and also place it above table data, and also some little insight into movie stars and who they love. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you have any questions, go to my forum, thenewboston.com/forum, and someone will answer them for you. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you later.